Festival. It is the main Chinese festival of the year.
Today we are telling you some interesting facts about Chinese New Year.
In China, it is a convention to do a house cleaning before the Spring Festival. If you travel around China at that time, you'll find the whole world, men and women, old and young, are busy with the house cleaning, washing whatever can be washed. Suddenly, a monster came in.
Who are you? Everybody he saw. They like to do this just as the New Year begins, to remind people how powerful it is.
This is too scary.
Aya, we can help. We can help you guys.
These two wise ladies told them, the color of red, the dazzling light, and the loud noise. These are the three things that will frighten away the monster.
I found the red thing.
Oh no!
I found the light.
Oh no!
And we can make loud noise.
Nian was so scared and ran away. People will never see him again in the new year.
That's why people in China believe the color red signifies luck, and why all the children light firecrackers and make all kind of noise on Chinese New Year's Eve is to scare away evil spirits, and also Nian, just in case he's still hanging around.
Dinner on Chinese New Year Eve is a very important part of Chinese New Year. The food is carefully prepared. Varieties of Chinese traditional dishes, dim sums, fruits, nuts, and candies, in different shaped plates are placed neatly on a round table.
I want to eat the dumpling. I want to eat a dim sum.
And I want to eat the meatballs.
I want to eat the fish. I just want some fruit. And we want to eat them all. You can't do that. Why? Make sure your plate is never empty, as this would be seen as your luck has run out. You must not use a knife or fire for cooking on New Year's Day, as cutting with a knife is thought as bad luck.
The Chinese people are used to staying up on Chinese New Year's Eve. The old people stay up on Chinese New Year Eve to show that they are sharers the time. The young people stay up for good health and long life of their parents.
Chinese New Year Eve might be the happiest and freest moment for children. They are allowed to hang out late, and no one asks them to go to bed on time. When it's midnight, everyone will gather together outside of their houses and count down with plenty of firecrackers and fireworks. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
叮咚，新年快乐！ Look, I have a firecracker.
And I have a lighter.
Want to come play with us?
It is popular to set off firecrackers at the following times.
Before New Year's Eve dinner,
To add a jubilant atmosphere to the festival.
at the stroke of midnight on New Year's Day,
To scare away evil spirits.
on New Year's Day morning,
It symbolizes good luck throughout the whole year.
and sleeping. Can we turn off the light?
No, you can't.
Why?
Chinese New Year lanterns make a great decoration at this time of the year. You see them popping up everywhere. People won't turn them off until Chinese New Year morning. Nowadays, some people just use lights instead of lanterns. The whole family will sleep with the lights on.
Some young people choose to have the after party. They will sing and dance until the morning.
Like at Christmas in other countries, people exchange gifts during the Chinese New Year. The most common Chinese New Year gifts are red envelopes.
新年好。谢谢。新年好。谢谢。
Red envelopes, in Mandarin we call it Hong Bao. It's also known as lucky money. Hong Bao is prepared for the children by the elderly and given after the New Year Eve dinner or in the Chinese New Year morning.
In folk culture, children will live safe for the whole year if they get the lucky money. Children use the money to buy books or other school supplies. Some families save the money for the kids' future use. Paying Chinese New Year visits to relatives and friends is an important convention in China. It is a way of giving one's best wishes to others. In Chinese, it is called Bai Nian.
Bai Nian to everyone around and say some wishful phrases such as wish you make plenty of money. Wish you be lucky and everything goes as wished. Wish every family member of yours happy. Wish you are very healthy.
In the ancient times, the gesture that kids would make to their grandparents is koto, and the wishes to the aged family members are always related to health.
爷爷奶奶身体健康。
When greeting people of the same age, Chinese would 祝意.
恭喜恭喜。
On New Year's Day, open-air markets sell decorations, toys, clothes, and delicious food. In southern China, street markets are also teeming with flowers and potted plants. Flowers like orchids and peonies are popular because they are considered as special wishes.
The most popular markets during spring festivals are the temple fairs. In Mandarin is Miaohui. Although they originally were a form of worship connected with temples, now they are more like carnivals and are sometimes held in parks. Besides, people can buy things at very low prices in the temple market.
Traditional cultural performances such as lion dance, traditional magic, puppet shows, and so on can be seen.
내 얼음 솟아준 미니컵 또 난